What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we hit the golden pocket pattern. It is the range of 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels, and these levels was made by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top, the top of the B wave, to the bottom of the C wave, as you can see right here. And this range is the most probable range of trend reversal, and I've told you that we should have at least a pullback to hit some lower targets, and from this range we might go higher. But I also told you that my main assumption was that we might have this as ABC correction, and that's why we have to be cautious with this movement. But if we will have a good bounce from the range of about 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see we hit exactly this range, $2.19, and we'll go higher and exceed the top of our C wave, this means this pattern will be eliminated, and this means we might see much higher price targets. So I will show you my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let's start with the total market cap. For now we are sitting at $2.04 trillion of total market cap. It is a 0.59% decrease over the last day, but as you can see, all major cryptocurrencies are in green, and this means I don't think that it is the real number, because the coins with the highest market cap are in green. This means I don't think that this number is real. So Bitcoin has about 1.11% increase in its value. Ethereum has 1.63% and BNB is 2.24%. And as you can see, BNB is on the third place again, above Tether, and it's quite good sign. On top of that, on a 7 days period, we also have slight increase in the value of top coins. So, and let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $17.38 billion. It is higher than it was previously by 6.05%. And the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $1.27 billion. It is lower for about 12.46%. And I have to say that it is not the best sign when we have this movement to the upside with the diminishing volume. And from the technical standpoint, it is another doubts that I have for now. But from the fundamental standpoint, we have a lot of good news, and let me quote you this article. It was published on January 14th, and it's titled "Polygon Matic Network Activity Spikes to Record-Breaking Numbers. Here's why." And let me quote you this. Polygon Matic, one of the most resource-efficient and cost-effective EVM-compatible blockchains, witnesses an unparalleled spike in its activity. Polygon network activity eyes 500,000 daily addresses. According to comprehensive statistics shared by Polygon researcher Rafael Signal, the number of daily active addresses on Polygon is up 36% in the first week of 2022. As you can see, daily active users reached 492,000. Also, in recent days, its aggregated revenue and average transactional cost indicates more than tripled. As such, a new record is registered when it comes to revenue. Polygon co-founder Sandeep Nailwal noted that his product has set one record after another. He says, "Polygon says all-time highs in active addresses and revenue. Has become too boring, nothing new in it." And right here you can find the information that it is not only a sunflower farmers game that was the reason of this spike. Surprisingly, Sunflower Farmers is not the most popular game on Polygon in terms of active onboard wallets. Tower Tokens ecosystem managed to attract 20% more users. So, as you can see, more and more games, more and more DeFi apps are working on the Polygon network, and this means this network is becoming more and more popular. So, and let's continue with this news. We are on ambcrypto.com and this article was published on January 14th and it's titled Polygon the app's expansion into the metaverse serves as a boost to Matic. And let me quote you this. Polygon is on the expansion spree, adding more DeFi applications to its network every day. The effects this could have on the network contribute to the bigger picture of Matic's growth. Just a few days ago, Zingally, the VC-backed NFT insurance protocol, opened their first office in the Blocktopia's metaverse. Their purpose behind this was to firstly spread awareness about their mission of financial freedom and to also provide coverage to their upcoming partners at their metaverse office. And here is the picture of their office. It's quite unusual to see the real office in the unreal world. And this means for the Matic, with its over 169 protocols and over $5.4 billion locked in chain, Polygon is keeping up with its aim to become the DeFi hub. So I think Polygon is already one of the leaders in this contest, and that's why the native token of Polygon network potentially will have much higher prices in upcoming weeks. So, and we also have a lot of news from their official Twitter. I don't want to dive deep into their recent tweets. You can do it by yourself. And I also covered the news that on January 18th they will launch their London hard fork that will initiate the burning of Matic. And this will lead to potential deflationary effect on Matic, and this will lead to higher price targets. So, and all of these fundamental news definitely are extremely bullish, but we have some doubts from the technical standpoint. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you these doubts. So, as I already mentioned in my previous video, let me turn off this scale and turn on this scale. We should have a retracement, and this retracement should hit the ranges of about 0.382 and 0.5, and it shouldn't break the top of our A wave. And as you can see, it happened to the tick. We have this touch of 0.5 level of $2.19 and we went higher. And for now, if we will break the top of our C wave at the price point of $2.44 range, it will eliminate the ABC correction pattern, and we will become more bullish than bearish. And this means this bottom will be the real bottom for the long period of time, and from this point we might see new all-time high. So congratulations to all of you who took this trade and who entered your position at the 0.382 and 0.5 Fibonacci retracement levels. You are in green, and and depending on your average price, you might be up for about 7%. And on my previous video, I've told you that you can enter your position right here at this very range, and you can put your stop loss at the same range in order to remain on the positive side. And from this point, you might be up for about 14.87%. And my previous video, when I suggest to enter your position with cautious right here at this range of support, you might be up for about 22%. So I think it's quite good achievements, but we have to keep an eye on the key points. First key point, as I already mentioned, it is our stop of the C wave, the price point of $2.44. And next one is right here. It is pretty much a confluence between this bottom and this top, because we have to rely on the ranges of prices. That's why let me put it right here at $2.18 mark. If we will break it to the downside, we become more bearish, and this pattern of ABC correction is still in play. But if we will break it to the upside, this means we are more bullish, and this pattern becomes a 5-wave structure, and potentially we might hit much higher targets. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!